It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello my little cupcakes, and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And on this video, we're going to make these delicious stuffed peppers. So let's get started. Okay, so first I've washed up the pepper, and I'm going to take a sharp knife, dig all the way around it. Because I like the lid. You don't have to, you can remove the whole lid, but I think it looks kind of decorative, so I like keeping the lid. We're gonna go take it apart, chop this top part of it, get all that, and then we're gonna go rinse it out really good. So this is about a pound and a quarter of ground hamburger. This is a very small onion, chopped up about 1 to 2 garlic cloves. And then we're gonna add about a cup of rice. What I like to do is mix this up, but I find that it's too dry. So I tend to just take some tomato juice, maybe a quarter cup, like just get it all like mushy. And get it all really mixed up. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. And at this point you can put whatever spices you like, but I'm just gonna add a salt and pepper because I like the garlic and the onions already in it. Okay, we're gonna add some salt and pepper, and it has a nice flavor. So I'm going to pull over my peppers here, and we're gonna stuff as much as we can in here. I think I got plenty, and I can add more to them. There you have it. Over here, stuff the yellow. To add the tops on them. Shove this in here. I put tomato sauce on the bottom of this pan already. I'm going to add more, but I want to put a little bit of peppers on. This is diced tomatoes. I'm just going to add a little bit all over there. And I got some more. I used it's not going to take quite a can of tomato sauce, and I did use a whole can of diced tomatoes. There we go. Nice and close up. And there we go. Okay, so I've already preheated the oven to 350. So I just took it out of the oven. It's been in between 45 to an hour, and look how nice that looks. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for now, I'll see you soon. Bye, take care.